Having a VPN for your Amazon Fire Stick can unlock a massive library of movies and TV series that you otherwise wouldn't have access to. Because of this simple fact, having a VPN when using an Amazon Fire Stick can be super helpful. In today's video, we'll be covering the best VPN to use for your Amazon Fire Stick. We'll cover everything you need to know, including their price, ease of use, and how effective they are. By the end of this video, you'll have a super clear idea of which of these VPNs is right for you. The first thing we'll need to cover is why you need a VPN for your Amazon Fire Stick in 2024. The truth is, digital privacy has never been more important, and with the ever-growing number of cyber threats, it's important to have a VPN that actually protects you. One of the other considerations too is that having a VPN on your Fire Stick is essential for accessing shows around the world. Essentially what a VPN does is that it encrypts your internet connection, making it nearly impossible for hackers or third parties to intercept your data. This is particularly important when using public Wi-Fi networks, which are often targeted by cyber criminals. Moreover, a VPN allows you to bypass geo-restrictions, giving you access to content that might otherwise be blocked in your region, which is the biggest benefit that you can have when utilizing a Fire Stick. Whether you want to watch shows from other countries, access foreign streaming services, or simply enjoy unrestricted browsing, a VPN provides you with the freedom to explore the internet without limitations. Now that we've talked a little bit about what the VPNs are actually used for, let's talk about what you need to look for your VPN for your Fire Stick. When choosing VPN for your Fire Stick, there are several factors that you should consider. The first of these is speed. Streaming requires a fast and stable connection, and the best VPNs for Fire Stick offer high-speed servers optimized for streaming, ensuring you experience minimal buffering and high-quality video playback. One of the other considerations that you'll want to take into account is server location. A wide range of server locations is crucial for bypassing geo-restrictions. The more servers a VPN has, the more options you have for accessing content from different regions. Another factor to consider is compatibility. Your VPN should be easy to install and use on your Fire Stick. Look for VPNs that offer dedicated apps for Fire Stick or Android TV, as these will be the most straightforward to set up and get going with. A huge consideration that you want to have when it comes to picking a VPN for your Fire Stick are security features. A good VPN will offer strong encryption, a no logs policy, and additional features like a kill switch to ensure your privacy is always protected. And then of course, one of the most important things to consider is customer support. Having reliable customer support is important in case you encounter any issues. Look for VPNs with 24/7 live chat support and comprehensive online resources so that way you're never felt like you're left in the dust. Now that we've gone over the things that you need to look for in a VPN for your Fire Stick, the next thing that we'll talk about are the benefits of having a VPN for your Fire Stick in the first place. Using a VPN on your Fire Stick offers a variety of benefits that can significantly enhance your streaming experience. One of the most notable advantages is the ability to bypass geo-restrictions. With a VPN, you can access content from around the world, including streaming services that might be blocked or limited in your region. This is particularly useful for watching shows, movies, or sporting events that are only available in specific countries, allowing you a much broader range of content without even having to leave your home. Another crucial benefit of using a VPN on Fire Stick is enhanced privacy. VPNs provide strong encryption that keep your online activities private and secure from any bad actors or prying eyes. These kind of threats can come from people like hackers or even your internet service provider. This means that your streaming habits, browsing history, and personal data are protected from unauthorized access, giving you peace of mind when using your Fire Stick. Another big consideration here is preventing bandwidth throttling, and that's another significant advantage of using a VPN. Internet service providers will often throttle or intentionally slow down your internet speed when they detect heavy streaming activity. This can lead to buffering and low video quality. A VPN hides your online activity from your ISP, preventing throttling and ensuring a smoother, uninterrupted streaming experience. One of the other things that you can also do is secure your online internet connection with public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks are notoriously insecure, making it an easy target for cyber criminals to intercept your data. A VPN encrypts your connection, protecting your sensitive information from being compromised. This can all be done too while you're streaming your favorite shows in your Fire Stick, especially if you're watching movies or TV out in public. Some VPNs come with built-in ad blocking features as well, which can enhance your overall viewing experience by reducing interruptions from ads. This not only improves the speed at which your pages load, but also creates a more enjoyable and seamless transition and environment, which is of course ultimately going to be free from clutter of unwanted advertisements. Now that we've talked about everything you need to know about the features and benefits of VPNs on a Fire Stick, let's talk about some of my favorite VPNs to use on your Fire Stick. The first VPN we'll be talking about that I love using on my Fire Stick is ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN remains a premier choice for Amazon Fire Stick users in 2024, owing it to the fact that it has extensive features, superior performance, and robust security measures. With a network of over 3,000 servers spanning 105 plus countries, ExpressVPN offers broad global coverage, making it incredibly effective at bypassing geo-restrictions on popular streaming platforms. Whether you're trying to access Netflix, Amazon Prime, BBC iPlayer, or other region-locked content, ExpressVPN's expansive server network ensures that you can stream your favorite shows and movies without interruption. One of ExpressVPN's standout attributes is its speed. Utilizing the lightweight protocol, you'll never have to worry about having any slowed down content. You'll have access to super fast and reliable high-definition content, including 4K capacity. This protocol is designed to be lightweight, meaning that it has less impact on your device's processing power and battery life when delivering fast connection speeds. In comparison to other VPNs, ExpressVPN consistently ranks as one of the fastest VPNs on the market, minimizing overall buffering and lag that can often mar the overall streaming process. One of the other things that ExpressVPN does very well is its security. It uses AES 256 encryption, which is the same standard employed by the US government and security experts. This ensures that your data will remain secure and private using some of the best world-class security options. ExpressVPN also operates on a strict no logs policy, meaning it does not store any of your information about your browsing activities, and none of that information will ever be available to them or any of the servers that they have. ExpressVPN also operates on a RAM-only server, which is basically a server that further enhances your overall privacy, making sure that none of your RAM is saved on their servers. This service also comes with a very handy kill switch, which adds just an extra layer of overall protection. What the kill switch does is that it basically cuts your internet connection if the VPN connection drops, thereby preventing any data leaks from happening. The ExpressVPN app for Firestick is designed with user convenience in mind. It features a clean, intuitive interface that's super easy to use and access. When it comes to price, ExpressVPN is priced a little bit on the higher end, with the monthly plan starting at about $12.95. That being said, if you guys want to get a discount or get access to a free trial when getting started with ExpressVPN, make sure you use the link down in the description of this video. When you click that link, you'll get access to a free trial with ExpressVPN, and it's one of the best ways to get started with them. Another super handy and awesome to use VPN that you can use with your Firestick is NordVPN. NordVPN is another huge contender for Firestick users, particularly those who place a premium on security without sacrificing streaming performance. NordVPN has over 6,400 servers in over 60 plus countries. NordVPN also offers one of the most extensive server networks available, ensuring excellent global coverage. This vast network is paired with NordVPN's Smart Play technology, which automatically connects you to the fastest server available for streaming. This means, of course, less buffering and a higher quality for your streaming experience. NordVPN also has some of the best in-class security features available. It employs AES 256 encryption alongside its unique double encryption feature, which ultimately will route your data through two servers, doubling the amount of encryption that you have, and providing an extra layer of security. This makes NordVPN particularly advantageous to people who are super privacy concerned. The service also adheres to a strict no-log policy, just like ExpressVPN, meaning that none of your data or information will ever be saved on their servers. In addition to all of this, NordVPN also includes something called CyberSec. This is a feature that blocks ads and protects against malware, enhancing your overall internet experience by speeding up page loads and reducing the risk of online threats. The NordVPN Firestick app is also designed to be super user-friendly and easy to access. It features a map-based interface that allows you to visually select which server you want to connect to, making it that much easier to find and connect to the countries that you want to access content from. The NordVPN app also supports a variety of connection protocols, including OpenVPN, NordLinux, which is NordVPN's version of the WireGuard protocol, and it also offers enhanced speed and security. When it comes to pricing, NordVPN is pretty competitive, starting at about $11.99 per month. And again, if you guys want to get the best discount possible, I'll show you how to do that right now. The first thing you guys want to do is click the link down in the description for NordVPN. Once you click that link, you'll be taken to this page here. As you can see, when I used our link, we'll get access to 4 extra free months on top of the plan we choose. All we have to do is click the Get the Deal button, which will then take us to the pricing page. They have a $2.98 a month option, $3.37 a month option, and $5.78 a month option. The best option you want to go with to get access to the Firestick app and obviously take advantage of all this is the standard option. You'll simply hit the Buy Now button, and then you'll be taken to the checkout page where you can get started. Now, the very last VPN we'll be talking about today is Surfshark. Surfshark is the go-to option for budget-conscious Firestick users who do not want to compromise their features or performance. Surfshark has over 3,200 servers in a little over 100 countries, making it an awesome option depending on where you're trying to access content around the world. One of Surfshark's most appealing features is that it has support for unlimited connections on their service. This means that if you have an iPhone, a laptop, an Xbox, or a computer, every single one of those can be connected under Surfshark's protection for their VPN. You won't have to worry about having a device cap, and you can have as many devices on their protocol at once. Also, it's shown in tests that Surfshark has maintained up to 80% of the original internet speed when you're connected to their service, meaning that you're not going to have to worry about buffering issues or a loss of quality when utilizing Surfshark. Surfshark's main feature that you'll want to pay attention to is their clean web technology. This is a feature that blocks ads, trackers, and malware, providing a cleaner and safer browsing experience. Surfshark also uses AES-256 encryption, which is the earlier encryption we talked about that ExpressVPN uses. This is the industry standard encryption technology, and it's super secure. Surfshark also offers pretty much most of the same features that the other VPNs that we talked about offer, so it's pretty much a no-brainer if you're somebody that has a ton of devices and you need to connect them all under the same VPN. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about these VPNs for Firestick. It's pretty easy to download all these VPNs. All you have to do is go on your Firestick and go to the actual app store, download these VPN apps, and you can get started in a matter of moments. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to get started with any of the VPNs that we talked about in today's video, make sure you use the links down in the description. You'll get an amazing discount when you use our link, plus you'll be supporting our channel. So thank you in advance. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in a future one.